this video, we will see that how we can create a login activity into an existing account. There are two ways by which we can log a activity. The easiest way is on the left side of a screen, there is a activity icon. Click on it. It will pop up a small window for the logs, email, task and event. So let's suppose now I want to create I have called to a prospect or a customer. I need to log an activity. So I need to click on the plus icon, select the work phone. It was an outbound call, so need to select outbound here, and now here I can enter the whatsoever a conversation or an update with the prospect. Once you enter your comments, save it. So this is how a user can create a login activity into the account section. And this is the first method. Second is click on the account name. Here next to the overviews activity tab, click on it. Now again under the logs, click on the plus icon, select the whatsoever activity type you want to select, type and subtype. Enter the comments as per the conversation with the prospect. And save it. So this is how the user can create a login activity into the accounts. Thank you.